Follow the old things you're doing to your skin care. When it is come to caring for your complexion, getting facial or even sessions, a dermatologist in not what matters most, it's how you treat your skin every single day. Things crucial and the some common missteps can seriously mess with your beauty. Stop making these are 8 mistakes and get on the path to health. Young looking skin care at ENIAC. You mistake. Forgetting to ask answers every day, including during the winter. UVB rays, the ones responsible for burning, are much stronger during the summer, but UVA ones tend to remain pretty constant all year long. Explain Ariel's Kauvar, MD, senior professor of dermatology at New York University School of Medicine. UVAs will not turn your skin care pink, but they do contribute significantly to both skin going, including wrinkles and brown spots, and the skin sensor. UVAs also penetrate glass and cloth, which manage trial streaming into your window at office as well as your care. The ups is that protecting yourself in simple, slender on a broad speaker speak 30 every day year round. Mistake. The taking long hot shower. Steamy shower may do wonders for so muscle and a sure mood, but they are guaranteed to turn your skin into a dry, false mess. Science cover how water can strip skin of essential moisture and oil, leaving it red and itchy. This can you onsen already dry skin. Aggravate conditions like eczema and rosacea and itching are linked to the skin, put you at risk to your infection. For healthier skin, turn the temp down to 1 and exit long before your skin extends to prune. If your mirror get statement up, the water is probably too hot. Pat yourself dry and apply lotion or coconut oil to your still damp skin to look in moisturize. Mistake. Overexfoliating, slowing away the layer of dead cells from your skin surface is a surface away to flow instantly younger until you overdo it. You might do result that gritty scrubs and cleaning beyonds you to the only means to exploitation may anti-aging ingredients in creams and the serums service and chemical exploitations. It's not unusual for the people to routinely use a retinoid, an alpha hydroxy acid AHA, and a chemical cleansing device to the wind up raised and irritated instead of glowing and radical science. David Bank, MD, a consumer dermatologist in Moscow. Now if your skin is starting to look inflamed, try dialing back on how often you use your power washer on AHA and try this DIY moisturized face mask. Your face will thank you. Mistake. Catching to fuses. Says bang yes, under eye circle are a concern, but night it is also when your skin does the bulk of its repair work, like creating new cleans and mending or sending old damages once. Your skin also makes the most of any creams you apply at night. As bank product patently more deeply, yielding faster result. There's no hard and fast rule about how to mass beauty tip you need, but beside on a research revenue of more than 10,000 students, the American Academy of Sleep Medicine recommends that adults get at least 7 hours a night. Mistake. Going to sleep without washing your face. In an ideal world, you know wash your face twice a day, rinse your makeup and before you go to bed, but since few of us lead perfect lives, most experts would be happy life you just cleanse before begins the day. Sleeping with makeup oil and other impurities on can block your process and adhere to breakfast. Says bank, it also disrupts blood turnover, which and level skill looking dull. To easily remove David skip to right face whips in your nightstand. Mistake the training to scrap away acne. Acne is not a hygiene problem. It is a hormonal issue and exclusively cleaning your skin with harsh scopes for exploitation beds or not benish blemishes says cover. It will just make your acne flatter and cause much irritation that you will not be able to use products or the medications about might help clear in the condition. Instead of trying to scrub your pimply prone skin into submission, wash is the gently with your cleaners that contains salicylic and acid with unclosed pores and the something skin by sloughing of dead cells. Here is 6 simple way to prevent adult acne. Mistake: the pinking, scratching, squeezing and popping. Whether you are tempted by a pimply scrape or growth, the consequence of being hands on with skin lesions can be ugly. Pinking will increase inflammation and may lead to the permanent scaling. Scratching may appear to bring some relief or your conditions like eczema, but it will ultimately aggravate the problem. Scratching increases the sensitivity of your nerve endings and causes your skin to feel even more irritated. Explains the cover safer and more efficiently solution included stopped training flames with the benzoyl, the peroxide or the salicylic acid and moisturize skin daily to keep itching and bay. Mistake: getting a বেশি টান. Many people still mistakenly believe that getting a base tan from a training salon is a healthy way to protect skin from the unburnt, but it provides only the equivalent of the SPF of about 3 and the sensor causing UVA rays you are exposed to in an indoor training bed are roughly 20 times stranger than the ones you get from the sun. Men's will just one indoor training session increases the chances of developing melanoma by 20% and forget the claim that you cannot get burned in a training bed. One study found that nearly 20% of sessions result in a sunburn. If you do get a sunburn, here are 12 natural causes. Thanks for watching. Subscriber, please join my channel. Thank you.